Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be me refreshing my hair on camera. So I'm going to be using a Ferrosol bottle. We've all seen them and I absolutely love them. I've been searching for Ferrosol bottle forever. I've only refreshed my fringe, so you guys are going to get to see me refresh my hair. This is how I slept with it at night. I do sleep on a satin pillowcase, and this is what the bottle looks like. This is a salon quality Ferrosol bottle, and it mists more than sprays. So I'm just going to spray it here so you guys can see. That was just one press. You can actually keep pressing, but I'll show you guys again. This is just one press. And all of that fine mist just mists your hair and you can refresh it very easily. So I'm going to open up my hair for you guys. I know this is something you haven't really seen me do. I have an older video on how I refresh my hair. So what I do is, this is my scrunchie. So this is my scrunchie, and the first thing that I do is I shake my hair out. So here we go. After just shaking my hair out, what I do sometimes is I will pull my hair over to one side like this. And then I will lightly start just separating my curls. You can have an oil on your hands, it helps with frizz, but over time I've developed a way where I don't put any oil and my hair doesn't frizz, but it comes with a lot of experience. But the general rule of thumb is put some oil on your hands before you touch your hair. And then I'll flip it over the other side. And I'll start just lightly just separating my hair. I'm flipping it over as well and then just lightly separating. And then this is what my hair looks like. If my hair is good to go, this piece of hair, if I'm good to go, then I will just shake it a little bit more and separate some curls a bit and basically walk out of the house. If I need to add a bit of water, I will. I don't have a mirror in today's video, so I'm really winging this refreshing. So I am going to go in with the Ferrosol bottle just a little bit. The ends of my hair is usually where I need to refresh. So I'll take the bottle and I'll lightly mist it and I'll touch just a little bit. What I'm doing is I'm just reactivating the product that's already in my hair. So my tighter curls at the back will need a little bit of love as well. And you can literally just see and feel the product reactivate. Again, it depends on what product you do have in your hair. I think, as I said, I don't have a very nice mirror with me doing this video. I'm just going to do a little bit on the top here. And then also, if I want more volume, I'll then flip my hair over. And the water is also adding moisture as well into your hair. And you can just keep going as much as you like. Okay guys, as I said, no mirror. If you're using a very good styling product, you won't need to add any more product because the water reactivates the product. Sometimes you might just use a little bit. If you're finding that you have to use a whole lot more product to refresh, start thinking about the product that you actually have in your hair. So guys, you can add as much moisture as you need to add in your hair and add a little bit of product. But generally, I do very little misting, I add very little product. You guys have actually seen what my hair looks like in the morning. But this Ferrosol bottle is an absolute lifesaver for me in the morning. You can use any other bottle if you like as well. I think I'll do a comparison video a little bit later between the Ferrosol bottle and the normal spray bottle, or the one that I actually have in my hair stash. Thanks for joining me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video of me lightly refreshing my hair in the morning using a Ferrosol bottle. Thank you so much, and as always, I'll see you guys again. Take care.